everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, everybody. I've literally missed you so much, and oh my god, if I'm looking over here it's because I got my new camera. This is my new camera, everybody, and oh my god, I've literally got so much to catch you up on. So I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video today. Also, I'm going to be testing the new H&B Cosmetics Loose Translucent Setting Powder. I am so lucky to be on their PR list, which I'm just over the moon with. So I'm going to be testing their little powders. So yeah, if you want to get into this video with a little get ready with me and testing the H&B Cosmetics Loose Translucent Setting Powders, then please keep on watching. But yeah, we're going to get straight on into this get ready with me. If you're new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button just to get notified whenever I post new videos, and it's so lovely to meet you. And yeah, let's get straight on to this get ready with me. So first of all, I'm going to be starting off with the Bondi Sands Lip Balm. Oh my god, look at the focus on this. It's so good. I'm going to be talking like camera equipment in this video, but oh my god. So yeah, I'm going to just prep my lips with this. I find it so much better to prep your lips, especially if you've got like really dry lips. So I legit don't know why I look so red. I think it's just because I'm so nervous because I haven't seen you guys in ages. But yeah, I'm going to be using the Fit Me. This is the Matte 220 foundation. I'm going to be mixing it in with the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I always get questions on my base, so legit I just use this Fit Me 220 because I have dry skin. So basically, if you had like oily combination skin, I'll definitely recommend the, oh, what's it called? The Maybelline Superstay. But yeah, I've mentioned this before, but the reason why I mix them is because the Maybelline Fit Me is more of like a dewy, and then if I wanted a bit more full coverage, because it is winter now, it is winter now, it's autumn, it's autumn, hun. But yeah, I like to mix these two. Yeah, I've just mixed those two together. I'm just pressing it in with my Luxer Beauty Blender. So good, and always make sure it's damp as well. So let's talk about this camera story then. So basically, I started the autumn vlog, which was my last video, and me and Shane went to Chester the next day. So the first day I started the vlog, I was going to a meeting. I was going to my new job. I can say that now, a meeting. Who am I? But yeah, so I was going to my new job. I got the job, by the way. I haven't told you really, have I? So I've got a new job, yay me. But yeah, so after that we went to Chester the next day, and basically I keep my camera around in my handbag, but I keep the lens cap on. And this is the Sony A5 100, by the way. I told you this was going to get very technical in this video. But yeah, so I was just putting it in my bag, so I'd get it out, film what I needed to film, and then put it back in my bag. And I was being very careful with it. I'm not like thrashing it around or anything. But then I got home and I wanted to film the ending, and for some reason the screen wasn't working. So basically it had a dead screen. And so yeah, that happened, and I was absolutely devastated. I was crying. I was legit like, oh my god, I'm never gonna be able to film a YouTube video again. So that's probably why I'm really like hot and everything, because I'm really nervous about like doing another video again, because I don't know, it just felt like I lost everything. I feel like this is getting pretty deep now. Yeah, it literally felt like I'd lost everything. Like I'd lost you guys, my friends online on YouTube. I had lost all my like worth and meaning. I know that sounds a bit deep, but like YouTube, I just love it so much. And like I just have this thing where I definitely think it's my calling. Really felt like I had lost so much, and I know it sounds a bit dramatic, but YouTube is like what I want to do, and I just feel like it's my calling. It's like I just love it so much, and just creating, and like it's like my creative outlet. So having that lost and feeling like everything that I was putting my energy towards and attracting, and that's what I was attracting into my life in YouTube, it just went, and I was like, oh my god, it literally felt like my heart had sank. I'm just getting that feeling now. After I found out that it had a dead screen, my dad tried to take it apart, tried to fix it, and it was just coming up to the inevitable that if I was going to get it fixed, it would take like 6 weeks to get fixed. And I was thinking, I can't go that long without YouTube and being able to do and create YouTube videos. And yeah, so one thing led to another and I decided to get a new camera. So yeah, basically after I found out that it was a dead screen and we couldn't do anything about it because my dad tried to fix it and everything like that, it was either one of two options: either to A, wait a 6 weeks fixing period, either fix it, or it was to get a new camera and like fix the old one while I'm getting the new one, because it would have taken 6 weeks. And I was thinking, I can't wait 6 weeks. I can't wait 6 weeks. It can't, and I know it sounds dramatic, but it's like, it's what I want to do. And if you are passionate about something so much, you'd literally do anything. So this is the new camera and I'm so happy with it. It's the new Sony ZV-1, which is the one that Ellie Darby and Molly May uses. I'm so thrilled about that because the quality is just amazing. Literally, Ellie Darby, Molly May, I'm coming for you. But yeah, I'm so happy because it's just such a lovely camera. I think the only thing is it's just getting used to this side screen. But yeah, so that was the camera story, and it was just, I'm just glad that now it's all sorted. And I think everything does happen for a reason, because now I have such an amazing camera and amazing camera quality. But it was just a stressful thing at the time. So yeah, I'm back. Hello, I'm back to doing what I love the most. But yeah, that's the little camera story. So I'm going to be moving on to concealer. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is in the shade Cashmere. I'm just going to carve out my brows first. This is the P. devoted to my base brush. So I've just carved out my brows. I'm just going to apply it to the other areas that I highlight. So yeah, I definitely think that everything happens for a reason. So no matter what, you've got to keep positive. So I'm just blending this out now with a beauty blender. And then now I'm going to contour with my contour stick, which is the Iconic London contour stick in the shade 4.1. Please, look how much I have left. Isn't that devastating? I'm going to have to get a new one soon. But oh my god, I definitely recommend this. I know I always use it, but if you haven't got it already from watching my tutorials, I definitely recommend it. It's lasted me so long. Like, if you've watched me for that long, you'll know how long this has lasted. It's lasted so long. And then to buff out this nose contour, I'm going to be using the Spectrum B04 angled brush. Love this brush. So my base is all done now, and now moving on to the main attraction, which is testing these loose translucent powders from H&B Cosmetics. I'm so grateful to be on their PR list, literally so over the moon. So I thought I'd give you a little sneak peek of what I received in the mail. So this is the PR package itself, and inside you have all the H&B Cosmetics logo and all the models representing the powders and everything like that. So in the package itself you do get a little pamphlet, and I did give away 3 of the shades. I still have one of the shades, which is shade 6. So if anyone is shade 6, then please just DM me and I'll send it over to you as a little thank you. And so yeah, I kept shades 2 and 3, which are shade 3, which is banana, and then I also kept shade 2, which is translucent. So I kept these 2 for translucent underneath my eyes, and then banana to set the rest of my face. So I'm going to open translucent up. Let's have a little look inside. And the packaging every time is just so unreal. Alright, by the way, before I unpack that, so this is shade 6. I've also just bubble wrapped it just so I can send it out quick and easy to someone. So this is shade 2. This is what the back looks like, and this is what the packaging looks like. I really like the really nice rose gold and the pink just sort of theme. So it says soft focus loose powder. You get 9 grams in here of powder, and yeah, it's meant to be really good, finely milled and everything like that. So I'm excited to try this. So on the top there you've got your little cling film just for safety, so I'm just going to peel this off. So I've just zoomed you in just to see what's going on. I've got my dry beauty sponge at the ready, so I'm just going to press out these lines first that have creased because the concealer's been left a little while. So I'm just going to tap the back of the powder just so I can get some release. So this is what the powder looks like so far. So I'm just going to get my dry sponge, press that in, and then I'm just pressing this in underneath the eye and over the top of the eye, because I do like to set my lid space if I'm just doing a simple look. Wow. Wow. Why is my eye bloodshot on this side? I don't know, but wow. Wow. Oh my god, this powder is insane. Oh wow, this is so good. This powder is so finely milled. Wow. If it wasn't for my eye, this looks so damn good. Oh my god. I'm just gonna set my face with this. Oh my god, this powder. Oh, it feels so smooth. This powder is amazing. Like, that is legit like airbrushed skin. That feels so good. And nothing on my fingers either. Oh my god, I'm literally so obsessed with this powder. Wow. She's come through this powder. I'm just gonna continue doing the rest of my face with this bake. So I like to bake down the sides of my nose. I'm sorry, but I'm so happy with that powder. It's literally thrown me off. But I'm going to move on to the MAC Moonlight Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep, just a bronze. Then I'm just going to be taking the Doll, this is the Gimme Sun bronzer, and it's in the shade Dark, just to sharpen up those contours. And then I'm going to be testing out the shade, this is the shade Banana. So I'm going to be testing this out just underneath my contour, like my cheek contour, because this is what Holly Bean uses this one for. So again, I'm just going to press my sponge into my powder. And I really like the fact that she's done this shade, because whenever I do like bake underneath my cheekbones, I always have to use like a powder that's sort of like the foundation tone just to buff it off, because I hate having that quite sharp line. I like it to be quite blended, so it's really, really nice that she's come out with like a middle shade. So when you dust this off, it's not going to look so harsh. So I really, really like that she's done that. And then I'm just going to press out my smile lines with this, and just on the top of my forehead a bit. So baking is complete. I'm going to go off camera, do the rest of my face, and come back with my full review and everything. I feel like my review isn't going to be a full review because everyone's already done a review, but this is just my opinion on the powder. I'm loving it so far, so I'm going to do the rest of my skin off camera and then I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back with my full face of makeup on, and with the powder, I've set the powder and everything, and oh my god, Holly Bean, you angel. She's just smashed this powder. My opinion is the best powder going forward for me. It's just such a good powder. It's so finely milled, and I think that people haven't touched on the fact that it is like a translucent powder that can make your eyeshadow stand out. I don't think anyone's touched upon that. It's not like a thick heavy, it's finely milled, so it allows your eyeshadow to pop. Like when I was applying my bronzer, because for an everyday look, I have this look on my channel as well without this gorgeous powder. So yeah, definitely if I was going to rewind and do that again, I'd definitely recommend this powder. But the eyeshadow doesn't stand out with my Mercier powder, but with this powder, oh my god, it literally acts like a base for your eyeshadow to stand out even more. And the thing is, I'm so lucky to receive this in the PR, but this is only £13.50, guys. Like compared to the Laura Mercier, how much is the Laura Mercier? Like 32, nearly like £40. £13.50, and this is why I love H&B Cosmetics. So I've got this blusher on today. This is the H&B Cosmetics Dare to Be Different Feeling Peachy, but this is like the pink packaging they had, and just wanted to show you the new packaging. It's sort of like a beigey colour, but oh my god, I'm obsessed with this powder. I think it's so affordable, and it's just so finely milled, and I love the fact that she's come out with this banana shade. I feel like it's definitely worth using, like if you're going to do your contour for like your cheekbones, to use a powder that's a little bit darker. And she has such a good shade range as well. Like I said, I have shade number 6. If anyone is that shade at all, just give me a message and I'll send it over to you, because I don't want to be holding things when someone else could be using it. So yeah, I'm happy to send that out. If anyone is shade 6, get in touch with me. But this powder going forward is going to be my favourite powder. If you haven't got it, definitely recommend it. It's only £13.50. can I say anything more? But yeah, also before I go, I just have to quickly mention, because this is like a catch up because I haven't seen you in a while, I am growing my roots out because I am going to change my hair colour. So that's going to be a video on its own, I think. So yeah, I'm so happy to see you again. It's so nice to be back filming videos and being back to my normal content. I've got so much more content coming out and things I've got to be planned. But I do have a new job, like I said, so just bear with me if anything's a little bit late or a little bit early or anything like that. But that's the end of this video, my loves. I hope you're all well and okay. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know down below what videos you want to see. Thank you so much for being here. Love you as always, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye everyone.